Welcome to sellersresellers.com. Here I'm not going to give you a demo at this stage. At this stage, I really want you to understand why we are building this portal. The reason we have built it is to ensure that manufacturers or sellers and referral partners or resellers, they can connect with each other. They can build that bond, right? Build that trust. Now, again, the basic question is like why? The fundamental thing is that any manufacturer or seller, if he has the motivation to scale up, then the only way he can do it is by finding the right resellers or referral partners or dealers. So he can scale up his abilities to get more leads, convert more leads, and obviously share some part of the revenue with the resellers. And same thing with resellers. Resellers, they have a lot of contacts, they have a lot of networking abilities. So if they want to encash those networking capabilities, then the way they can do it is connect with more and more sellers who have got some product, like a physical product or maybe a service, maybe services. Like for example, like we at Fairshare IT Services are service providers in the IT area. So we need to build websites, we build apps. So but when we connect with our ultimate customer, the final customer, we always need to have, we always need to go through some resellers or some referral partners who refer us to the actual client, and then we build, like, portals and websites and apps for them. So unless and until we have got more resellers, we can't really reach out to more and more clients, right? Similarly, the resellers get a part of some, the revenue, so that they can also earn from that, and they remain motivated. So this portal brings in like these opportunities for both manufacturers or sellers and resellers or referral partners. Now, how do we build trust using this portal? See, what happens is that, let's say that, we at Fairshare IT Services, if we get a referral from our resellers that one of person, Mr. X, he wants to build a website, and let's say if we forget to contact Mr. X, and then we that whole lead is like wasted, that business opportunity is wasted. So one thing is we forget. Now second thing is that, let's say that we actually call Mr. X, and then ultimately maybe nothing happens, right? Then also it is our duty to get back to our reseller and tell that, unfortunately it did not happen, it did not work out. In the case where it worked out, but maybe because of the time span we forgot to inform our reseller that, what, this worked out, so here is part of the money that we promised you, right? And if we don't do that, then ultimately when the reseller finds out that we actually served Mr. X paid us Fair Share IT Services money, but we didn't share that with reseller. So immediately at that point of time, we are losing that trust, and we really don't want to do that, because resellers are our partners and they are the ones who are going to help us make money. So we need to make sure that we don't break their trust even unintentionally. So here is where the portal comes in picture. So if we lose that trust, we cannot scale up, and similarly the resellers also, they cannot keep proper track of, what happened to the different leads that they have provided so painstakingly to the service provider or the manufacturer. So now how does this particular portal help? The process is quite simple. First of all, you register to the portal. The sellersreseller.com admin, he will make sure that you are serious about your business. Will maybe call you up, maybe we'll exchange few emails to ensure that only serious sellers and resellers are on this portal. Now once you are on the portal, once you are approved by the admin, then you can browse through the list of sellers that we have, and you can request the seller to become their authorized reseller or referral partner. Now there is a standard contract that manufacturer has already or seller has already uploaded. So you can review that contract, like exactly what is the commission, what are the terms and conditions. You can review it, and only after that you can submit the request for becoming a referral partner. Now the seller will review your request. If they think that you are a serious referral partner, then they will most likely accept your request, and you can of course exchange few emails and contacts and all outside the system also. Then the referral partner, like needs to go through the requirements that the seller has put in. So for example, Fairshare IT services might have put in requirements for getting leads for web portal, then another requirement for getting leads for apps, then another requirement for hiring a good software developer, say who's knowledgeable in Python maybe, right? So there might be three requirements out there. So reseller can go through those requirements. If he thinks that he has got a proper lead, then he can respond to that requirement, any one of the requirement. He doesn't need to respond to every requirement. That is not compulsory, obviously, right? If you have got some lead related to the requirement, then you can respond to the requirement. Now there is one more interesting thing which happens here. When a seller adds a new requirement, let's say like we need a programmer in Java, then immediately all the authorized resellers are going to get an alert saying that Fairshare IT services has raised a new requirement. Now this is beneficial to both the seller as well as the reseller, because the reseller immediately gets to know that there is a requirement out there. Now what is the advantage for seller? The advantage for seller is that he can get more options or more leads from all the authorized resellers, because now they know that there is a requirement, and everybody is most likely, whoever has the serious lead is going to respond. So that way there is more competition, means like more better results and even better rates. So both sellers and resellers, they get benefited by that. Now once the reseller, one of the resellers, let's say he responds to the requirement. So no, these keywords are very important actually. Like the respond is like you respond to a request. So once you respond to a request, the seller will get a notification saying that okay, Mr. Y has submitted a resume, one of the resumes that he has got from the job market, for let's say Java developer. Now the seller has got that response from the reseller, right? If the seller does not respond within a week, the seller is going to get an alert saying that what, the reseller has painstakingly given you a referral, but you are ignoring it. So ignoring is not good. So then at that point of time, let's say if there is no feedback, either it did not work out or it worked out, then the seller is expected to talk to reseller, maybe outside the system or directly by sending email, and make sure that the reseller understands that he doesn't have any feedback as of now, but then whenever there is, he will definitely give. So these reminders will keep on being sent to the seller. Now at some point of time, the seller will respond saying that thank you, this worked out, or sorry, did not work out. So if it worked out, then obviously the reseller is going to get some monetary benefit out of it, which is again outside the system. You can have whatever contract or whatever understanding between seller and reseller, and system does not need to know about it, how your transaction happened, or it does not go through like our system. So there is a flexibility, but then we expect all the sellers and resellers to track their requirements, their response to the requirements and feedback to the responses practically, as much as possible, because that is the way that you are going to get reminded and you are going to get to know about the new requirements, and you're going to get competitive rates. If you do not follow the system, then you are going to fall into the same chaos where the requirements are not being alerted or the responses are not being tracked, and that trust factor that is there, that is going to be missing. So we encourage everyone to go through sellers and resellers.com, so that like you can track and build that trust and then scale up and help like each other out to go to the next level. Thank you so much. In the next video, we'll show you a demo of exactly how the system works, but I think the actual usage is quite simple once you understand why we are building the system. Thank you from Fair Share IT Services.